Hello everyone. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the basics of photosynthesis. And then in the further videos, we'll deal with the topic in detail. So first of all, let us understand what photosynthesis is all about. So let's break the term into two parts, photo plus synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to make. So we are making something using light. What we are making, we'll understand it in a bit. Let's move forward. And photosynthesis occurs in photosynthetic organisms such as plants, algae, and some bacteria. So let's combine the information and make a definition. So hence we can say that photosynthesis is a process in which the photosynthetic organisms use light energy to make organic compounds. The example of these organic compounds are sugars. Example, glucose, which is the simplest 6-carbon sugar found in nature. Let's move forward. Now some more information about photosynthesis, that it is a physiochemical process. Physiochemical means it uses both the physical and the chemical factors for completing the process, and also it is an anabolic process. Why we are calling it anabolic? Because in this small molecules are getting stick together to form a bigger molecule, that is the sugar, which we have just studied. So the requirements for the photosynthesis are water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. We'll get into detail of what chlorophyll is in the further videos, but for the time being, let's just understand that these are the basic requirements for the photosynthesis to get completed. So let's look at the chemical reaction of photosynthesis. The chemical reaction of photosynthesis in very basic terms, or in very simple manner, we can say that 6 carbon dioxide molecule plus 6 carbon dioxide molecule and water combine together to form glucose and oxygen in the presence of solar energy and also chlorophyll, which we'll learn in the next video. So now let's understand the process by a diagram. So you can see sunlight, carbon dioxide and water along with the chlorophyll, which is present in these green leaves, they all combine together, they all react together in a certain manner to form oxygen and sugars. These sugars are the example of the organic compounds that are formed by the process of photosynthesis, and the example is glucose. So now let us look at the importance of photosynthesis. The first primary importance of photosynthesis is that it is the primary source of food on earth, because photosynthesis helps the green plants to make the food, which is the source of food for all the other living organisms living on earth. Hence we can say that photosynthesis is the primary source of food on earth. Let's look at the other importance. The next importance and the very important role that photosynthesis plays is that it maintains oxygen equilibrium in the environment. As we have seen in the photosynthesis equation, that oxygen was also produced in combination with the glucose, that is the 6 carbon molecule. This oxygen is the ultimate source of the breathing air, that is the oxygen which we need to survive. Hence we can say that oxygen helps to maintain, that photosynthesis helps to maintain the equilibrium in the environment. So with this we have completed the basics of photosynthesis. And if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any query regarding the topic that we have discussed in this video, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my level best to clarify your doubts. at the best of my knowledge. So thank you for watching. Keep learning.